Today is B day or A day?
So today there is no school, sir.
Okay, why?
There's like a student holiday, sir. Only the staff will be at school.
Okay. What's the reason?
Student holiday, sir. I don't know. They'll just give us student holiday.
Student holiday. Okay. Because celebration of Sullivan.
Halloween, no, sir.
Halloween, not Halloween. Okay. Yeah, John is 20 years older than Steve, right? In 10 years, Steve's age will be half that of John's. What is Steve's age? Steve's age will be half that of John's. What?
So if we take Steve as X, sir, so John is going to be X plus 20.
That's good. Or you can compare, or you can verify the options also. Yeah, got answer?
So is it wait.
See, one straightforward method is, as you suggested, let's Steve's age be X years.
Yes, sir.
John is 20 years older than Steve. Okay, that means John's age will be X plus 20.
Yes, sir.
In 10 years, that means after 10 years. After 10 years, his age will be X plus 30.
Yes, sir.
After 10 years, Steve's age will be X plus 10. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
In 10 years, Steve's age will be half of that of John's. So, this Steve's age will be half of that of John's. It is the equation. Got it?
Yes, sir. Oh, I did something like that, but I misplaced the number. I switched the numbers off.
Got it?
Yes. 2x plus. So is it 10? Option C, sir.
Option C, 2x minus 20. Yeah, 10 only. 10 correct. You can verify it also. Yes, 10 correct. Because if Steve's age is 10 years, then John's age, if Steve's age is 10 years, then John's age will be 30 years. What happens in 10 years? John's age will be 40 years.
40.
It will be 20 years.
20.
Yeah. 40 by 2, 40 by 2. That means half of 40 is equal to 20 only.
Has 20 kinds.
10 cents?
Yes, sir. Dimes means 10
cents. Okay. What are the names of other coins? 25 pies, 25
is quarter.
Quarter, very good. 50 paisa half dollar.
No, sir. We just say 50 cents.
50 cents only. So only 10 cents has name, time?
I think so, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. I think dime is not in usage at present.
It is in use, sir.
Usage, but we cannot buy anything with a dime, with a single dime.
Yes, sir. Honestly, yeah.
Of course, cost of something may be $3 10 dummies, maybe like that. But individually,
But we have others like penny for 1 cent,
okay.
nickel for 5 cents. I mean 0.05 cents.
What is that? 5 cents?
Nickel, sir. NICKEL, nickel.
Nickel. What is nickel?
That's the name for the 0.05.
Okay. Nickel. Oh, okay. I got it. 5 cents is nickel.
Yes, sir. 10 cents is dime.
One
25 cents is
nickel. NICKLE. CKLE.
yes, CKEL.
Okay. Nickel.
Sir,
Right?
no, sir. NICKEL.
Yeah. Nickel. 5 cents is nickel. 10
Yes,
cents
sir.
is dime.
Yes, sir. Quarter is 25.
0.01. Right. Okay. This much only?
We have $50, sir. Like 50 cents is called $50.
That's not a different name. Okay. New name. There is nothing new in it. Okay. In India, you know the names of coins in India? Indian currency?
Paisa.
25 NP.
Oh, I only know paisa, sir.
Pavala.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lara has 20 coins consisting of quarters and dimes. If she has a total of $3.05, how many dimes does she have? Right. See, number of dimes be X.
Yes.
Number of quarters be Y. Number of quarters be Y. Okay. What is total
Yes.
number of coins?
X plus Y equals 20.
That's good. Very good. X plus Y is equal to 20. If she has a total of $3.05, that means X times means the cost of X times is 0.1X.
Yes, sir.
That means 0.1X plus
Plus 0.25.
0.25. 0.25 Y is equal totally 3.05. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We can multiply it by 10. It will become X. What is asked? Actually, dimes asked. So we need to
Yes, sir.
we need to eliminate Y.
Yes.
To eliminate Y, we need to multiply by 40. Then only 0.25 will become Y.
Right.
Yeah. What happens when we multiply by 4.40? 40 into 0.1. 40 into 0.1. What's the value of 40 into 0.1?
4.
Yeah, 4x plus 1y.
Y
is equal to 40 times of 3.05.
Oh, 3.05. So it's 122.
122.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 122, right. Now x plus y is equal to 20. Subtract. 3x is equal to 102.
Yes, 3x equals 1.
X is equal to 3 3 are 9.
So 34. 1, 2, 4, 34.
Sorry, this also to be multiplied by no. It's not correct. 34 is not correct because the total number of coins is 20 only. We subtract it. 122 correct only?
Yes, sir. It's 105 times 40, 122.
Into 5. I think it is 120, not 122. See, the total is $3.
times 40 is 122, so that's what it says.
Sure, correct only.
Yes, sir.
120. 3, 4, 120 plus 2. Yes, 122 correct only. Times, okay. Put 20 coins, total number of coins 20. If she has a total of $3.05, that means dimes. Dime means 10. Is it correct only? Dime means 10 paise only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That means X dimes means X into 10 paise means 10 by 100, 0.1. Yeah, 0.1x. Quarter means 25 paisa, 1 by 4. Yes, is equal to 3.05. Correct only. When we multiplied both sides by 40, 4 into 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. 4, 4x into 40, 40 into 0.25. 40 into no, not 40, just 4. Yeah, because 40 into 0.25, 10y, it will become 10y. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Oh, yes, sir.
yeah. Multiply by just by 4 only. 4. That means 0.4x plus y
4x
equal to
plus y
times
equal
3.05. 4 3
12.2, sir.
12.2. Yes, right only. Right.
So
Yeah.
3x is gonna be
Right.
12.2
Right.
minus.
Now subtract 0.4x minus x. That means minus 0.6.
Oh, sorry. 4 minus
0.4 minus x. 0.4x minus x is 0.6x. Is equal to 12.2 minus 20.
negative 7.8.
Negative
7.8.
7.8, right. X is equal to 7.8 by 6. 1 6 are 6.
13.
Sorry, 7.8 by 0.6. 13, right. That's correct. That's correct. Yeah, that means so 13 times 7 quarters. 13 times cost is 1.1.
13 times 0.
1.3.
1.3.
7 quarters cost is 1.75.
1.75.
Yes, the total is 3.05. Correct only. Right. Yeah, mistake is there in it that we need to multiply by 4 only to get the second part equal to y.
Yes.
But, right. Try this sum. You know how to solve it?
Yeah, I think so. Once.
The tank is being drained at a constant rate. It takes 3 hours to drain 6 by 7. 6 is cut. 6 by 7 of its capacity. How much longer will it take to drain the tank completely? Yeah, you can use unitary method. 6/7 part of the tank.
So it's 6
is
by 7 times x,
drained
sir.
in 3 hours.
Yes, sir.
So how much?
Oh,
The unitary method, it is 1 by 6 by 7 times 3. Means 7 by 6 times 3. 2 times. That is 7 by 2 means 3.5 hours. Totally, it needs 3.5 hours. But 3 hours already completed. Totally takes 3.5 hours to finish, to drain the tank completely.
yes, sir.
So it's already 3 hours. 3 hours over.
Yes, sir.
So answer is Totally, it needs 3.5 hours to drain the
Oh, yes, sir. It is half hour, sir.
that means
hour.
option.
Option A, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Good. That's good. See.
Johnny not allowing it.
Johnny can mow the lawn in 30 minutes. So here, question yourself that how much part of the work is done by Johnny in 1 minute. 1:30.
Oh.
It takes 30 minutes to complete the work. So in 1 minute.
1/30, sir. Is it? Or
Yeah, thank you. Who is Sivasai Solutions? May I know who is Sivasai Solutions? Thank you so much for your response. Yeah, in 1 minute, he completes 1:30, 1/30 part of that work. Okay, yeah. This part of the work is completed by Johnny in 1 minute. According to this data, with the help of his brother, Bobby.
yes.
They can mow the lawn in 20 minutes. See, it is the work of Johnny in 1 minute.
Yes.
Now, it is Johnny. Let the Johnny be, J means yes. Let Johnny J. Okay, let it be J. Work of J in 1 minute be 1/30, and that of Bobby we don't know. Sorry, yeah, that of Bobby we don't know. But both of them learn in 20 minutes. So Johnny plus Bobby, okay, can complete 1/20th work in 1 minute. See, with the help of his brother Bobby.
Yes.
With the help of his brother Bobby, they can mow the lawn in 20 minutes. That means Johnny plus Bobby will complete 1/20th part of the work in 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Johnny individually completes 1/30th work of the total task.
Yes, sir.
J plus B 1/20, only J 1/30. Then what is only B? Together 1/20, individually 1/30. So only B 1/30 minus 1/20.
3 minutes. No, sir.
So what is its work? What is its simplification? LCM 60.
60. So it's 2 minus 3. Sorry. 20.
1/20 minus 1/30. That means 3 minus 2.
Yes.
Is equal to 1/60. Which means 1/60, 1/60. Which means Bobby needs
60 minutes.
60 minutes to complete the work.
So it's 1 hour, sir.
Yeah, 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour, right? That's correct. Wow. Is it name?
I think so, sir. I never heard that name.
Wow. Just wow. Single syllable. Single pronunciation. Single syllable. Wow. Wow jogged to a restaurant at X miles per hour. It's simple question. It's a straightforward question and very simple question. Can you solve it? And jogged back home. Oh, from restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Is it casual to go restaurant By jogging?
It isn't like casual, but if they want to, yeah, they can just go.
Yeah, if they have time.
Yes, sir.
Was jogged to a restaurant at X miles per hour and jogged back home along the same route at Y miles per hour. Okay. He took 30 minutes for the whole trip. If restaurant is 20 miles from home, what's the average speed in miles per hour? Per hour at which he jogged for the whole trip. Got it? Very straightforward question. Matter is uh, more, but solution is very simple solution. Restaurant. What is the distance from Was house to restaurant?
2 miles.
2 miles. Yeah, it is 2 miles. Which is the most used word? Miles or kilometers? I think kilometers.
Miles.
Kilometers
Over
only.
here,
Both
miles, sir.
miles. Okay. Yeah. It's the distance. The distance is 2 miles. Going 2 miles, returning 2 miles.
Oh, together it's 4
Total
miles.
distance is 4 miles.
4 miles.
So he traveled 4 miles. So let us assume that he didn't spend any time there.
Yes, sir.
According to this question. Right. Okay. He took 30 minutes for the whole trip. So 4 miles, 30 minutes. For the whole trip. He took 30 minutes. So 4 miles in 30 minutes. What's average speed? Just find speed. What's formula to find speed?
Distance by times.
Distance by time. Distance is
4 miles.
time is 30 minutes means half hour because it is measured in hour only. 30 minutes means half hour. So the answer is
8, sir.
that's good. A cyclist travels at 12 miles per hour. Is this time and work and time and distance is there in our curriculum in any class previously?
Yes, sir. We'll have it sometime.
In which class?
Algebra itself, sir.
Algebra. Okay, okay. It's not a separate chapter.
No, sir. There'll be here and there questions for this.
Or in India, in 8th class and 7th class, and also in 6th class, it is a separate chapter. Time and work, time and distances.
Yes, time and distance.
Yeah, I think completed here in India that because you did schooling in India till 9th class.
Yes. Yes, I completed my 9th.
You might have come across time and distance and time and work.
Yes, sir.
A cyclist travels at 12 miles per hour. That means his speed is 12 miles per hour. How many minutes will it take him to travel 24 miles? Distance is 24. Yeah, you can do it on the screen.
Yes.
Distance is equal to 20 miles.
1 second. Yeah.
And speed is speed 12 mph.
Yes, that's bad.
The relation between them, speed is equal to distance by time.
Sir, but they're asking for 24 miles, no, sir.
24. Yeah. What?
Yeah, so it's like unit method, no?
Yeah, simple. Answer is?
No, sir.
Yeah. 2 only, right?
Sir, but Sir, but they're asking how many minutes will it take? No, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, how many minutes? Yeah, it's the main point. So option 2 is wrong.
It's option E, sir.
E is correct. Option E is correct. How many minutes? Okay, that's good. Point M is located M miles east of the point P. Point P is located 6 miles north of another point A. Then how far is point A from point M? Point M. This is point M. Is located 8 miles east of the point P. So east, south, north. Let this be point P. Point M is located 8 miles east of the point. That means it is point M. It is 8 miles. The point P is located east of point P. Point P is located at 6 miles north of another point. This is another point. Let it be N. Where is A? Another point A. Yeah, it is A. A is located. See, A is located 6 miles north of another point. No, sorry. If point P is located 6 miles north of another point, A, is it okay? Is it okay?
So north of the point A means
North of A is
the
P.
opposite. Okay.
If A is here, then north of A is here only.
Yes.
Yeah, it is 8. What's the distance? How far? Yeah, simple. Pythagoras question. Pythagoras theorem.
Ten.
10, yes. That's good. Downs or ounces? Okay. It's O only, ounces, correct.
Ounce. No.
How many ounces there for a pound?
No, sir.
16. We discussed it previously. 1 pound is equal 16 ounces. Do you know that ounce is used to measure like solid also?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How much does the bag weigh in pounds? Yeah, simple question. Yeah, convert that into mixed fraction only.
So what are they asking?
Yeah, just we need to convert 12 ounces in pounds. That means 12 by 16.
Oh.
12 by 16 pounds.
So it's 3 by 4 pounds.
It's 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3 by 4. So is
So, but 3 by 4 for 5 or 6.
yeah, 5 pounds 3 by 4. Sorry, 5 3 by 4 pounds totally. Is it right? Option C is correct. A 1 ton has 2,000 pounds and 1 pound has 16 ounces. Okay. How many packets containing the wheat? Yeah. So all that we need 20 pounds, 1 ton. Just divide 2,000 by each bag contains wheat weighing 16 pounds, 4 ounces. What is the value of 16 pounds, 4 ounces in mixed fraction? 16 4 by 16 as we did in previous question. That is 16 1 by 4. Convert into improper fraction. Yeah, see 16 pounds 4 inches.
64 by 4, sir. 64. 65 by 4, sir.
Yeah, 65 by 2. See, each ton has 2,000 pounds, but there are totally 13 tons.
Sir, isn't it 65 by 4?
Sorry. That's 65 by 4. Yeah. Each ton has 2,000 pounds. Each ton has 2,000 pounds, and there are totally 13 pounds. So it is 13 times 2,000. By each bag contains weight of each bag is 65 by 4. Yeah, just simplify it.
Sir, 1600.
Very
Option
good.
A.
Yes, it's not correct. An old man distributed all the gold coins he had to his 2 sons into 2 different numbers, such that the difference between the squares of 2 numbers is 36 times difference between the 2 numbers. What's the meaning of this question? The difference between the squares. That means x square minus y square.
Equals 36 times
36 times
the square
x minus y.
between.
The difference between the 2 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Do you know there is a formula for x square minus y square?
Oh, yes, sir. X plus y times x minus y.
That's good. Yeah, now
X minus y and x minus y gets cancelled.
what is asked? How many coins did the old man give? How many coins means the total of 2 coins?
36.
That's 6 only.
Option B. Sorry. Yeah. Option.
Patrick purchased 80 pencils and sold them at loss to the selling price of 20 pencils. The cost of 80 pencils is how many times the selling price of 80 pencils? See, let the cost price be C and selling price be S. Okay. Selling price be S. Yeah. Cost price be C. Cost price be C, selling price be S. Okay. See, the given data is purchased 80 pencils. So cost price of 80 pencils is 80C.
80C.
And sold them at a loss of equal to the selling price of 80 pencils.
20s.
How to get loss? Yeah, see, cost price of 80 pencils is 80C and selling price of 80 pencils is 80p, is 80s. Okay.
Yes.
He had loss. Loss means selling price is less. That means 80C minus 80s
Yes.
is equal to selling price of 20 pencils. Loss is equal to selling price of 20 pencils. That is 20C.
20C.
Sorry, 20S. Got it?
Yes, sir. Selling
Yeah.
price.
Cost price of 80 pencils minus selling price of 80 pencils is equal to 20 selling price. Selling price of 20 pencils, right? Now 80C is equal to
Negative 66. Yes,
no,
sir.
minus negative 60. Okay. So no. It is loss. So selling price is less and cost price is more. That means 80S minus 80C is equal to 20S. Right. Now 80C is equal to 60S.
Yes, sir.
Now the cost price of 80 pencils is how many times the selling price of 80 pencils? Yeah. What is asked in this question? Cost price of 80 pencils. 80C by selling price of 80 pencils. 80C by 80S is asked.
Yes.
Simple. 80. Yeah. That means it's nothing but C by 8. Sorry, C by S. C by S is how much? 80 get cancels.
Yes.
We can bring this to that side. C by S is equal to 60 by 80. 3 by 4. Which means
0.75, sir. Is it?
it's 75. 0.75. A man walks at a rate of 10 mph. After every 10 miles, he rests for 6 minutes. How much time does he take to walk 50 miles? Actually, 50 miles means 10 miles, 10 miles, 10 miles, 10 miles, 10 miles.
Yes, sir.
When there is no gap. When there is no gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He take 5 stages. When walks at rate of mph, right? Okay. That means 10 miles per hour. 10 miles per hour. Yeah. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 5 hours. Yeah. Without break, it takes 5 hours.
Yes.
But he has break at each completion of 10 miles. That means 10 miles.
4 minutes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. 10 minutes. How much time it does to take 5
6
minutes?
minutes.
Yeah, 6 minutes. After that, 6 minutes gap. Then 10 miles. 6 minutes gap. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah. After 50 minutes, after the completion of 50 miles, there is no need to count 60 minutes. Okay, how many 6 minutes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times only. 4
Yes.
times only 6 minutes is added. Not 5 times, because after completing 50 miles, okay, he need not take rest. The journey is completed. So totally 5 hours plus 4 times 6 minutes.
Yes, sir.
That is 5 hours, 24 minutes.
24 minutes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the total number of minutes is answered.
324.
Yeah, 324. Option D is correct. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we'll complete. We'll do some more concepts in trigonometry in the next class. Actually,
Yes.
I need to go to my village tomorrow to attend a program. which
Yes.
is 100 kilometers away from here. So
100 kilometers.
yeah, yeah. We'll have class on day of tomorrow. That means day of tomorrow to me.
Yes.
There is a program at my home in my village.
Yeah.
Names of cities in India. I think Kakinada.
Yes, sir. That's my native.
Native place is Kakinada.
Yes, sir. My father's from Rajahmundry and my mom's from Kakinada.
Okay. Good. Very good. Okay, practice them. If possible, I will
Yes.
send some questions to practice.
Yes.
Okay.
Have a
Bye,
good day.
Kartika.